Welcome everyone back to Mr. Down with updates, and today we're looking at Reddit. You can see here, not many precipitation. Well, actually, saying that, you can see here there's plenty of snow and rain here in the southeast. It is a little bit unusual actually seeing snow like this in the south, but you can see here that weather front that we looked at yesterday has actually arrived, even into spells of London. We're getting some snow. Otherwise, most areas in England, even Scotland, is quite settled for today, but has been a bit cloudy. Now, the temperatures are going to be very low tonight, okay? If we have a look at for the night time, you can see here we're actually seeing purples, which is getting to around, if we look here, purples, roughly about, getting to -10 in an isolated area on a hill. So, that is very cold this year, even on the hills. And today we have an amber warning for snow, and this time it is in an area which we don't really get a lot of snow in England. It's in the southwest of England, in Cornwall. This was issued an hour ago, but again, it is definitely happening now. But I'll still have a look at it. A spell of snow will result to travel disruption on Wednesday afternoon and the evening. So right now, travel delays on roads are likely, stranding some vehicles and passengers. Power cuts are likely, and other services such as mobile coverage may be affected. A chance that rural communities may be cut off. Delays and cancellations to air rail likely. We're going to see sleet and snow with accumulations to 2 and 5 centimeters, and that is above 150 meters above sea level, with up to 10 centimeters on 250 meters. The sleet and snow will ease from the west during the first part of Wednesday night. And you can see here this warning has a medium likelihood and a medium impact. Now, the reason why it could be a amber warning, because obviously this area does not get a lot of snow, or not this much snow, for that much. We also have a yellow warning, an extended yellow warning for most southern areas. It's that weather, we obviously looked at it yesterday, we can still have a look at it. It's the weather system which is bringing the sleet and snow into southern countries, with disruption again, reduced visibility, making roads slippery, with increasing chance of accidents. Some roads and rails likely to be affected by snow with longer journeys possible. Sleet and snow will be pushing in from the southwest in a weather front on the channel. We could mostly see many places will not see that much snow shadowing, especially on tarmac, which is, I believe that is made of floor. We use that for floor material, I think, but I'm not too sure. But there can still be 1 to 2 centimeters in local areas, so could see 5 to 10 centimeters in Dartmoor and Exmoor. As these precipitation clears, we'll see skies clear and ice is forming on untreated surfaces. It had a medium likelihood and a low impact, so it has been updated to a medium likelihood this time, but not much of an impact. We still have a snow and ice warning in Scotland. Again, same reasons for snow showers and ice. Again, we could see 10 to 15 centimeters as well, and mostly 3 to 10. Because here it's a lot. Unconfident weather warning. It's high likelihood but a low impact as well. Now, looking at the UKV, we can see how this weather front pushing in here doesn't really do the best to judge this, but see here it says it's bringing a little bit of snow, but on the weather channel it says a lot more. So the UKV hasn't been doing very well on that as well. Could still see some snow showers on here into Wales, Scotland again, where that weather warning is taking place. Friday turning a little bit cloudier, maybe a little bit clearer for northeast, but on Saturday it does start to clear up a little bit as well. Now on Sunday, you can see here getting some cloudy spells with more rain, means more mild air to come. You can see here how that is going to take place. Now tonight it's going to be very cold. Alright, obviously this was last night. So you can see the maximum temperature was 3 degrees, and most areas are barely below 0. In fact, I haven't even seen anywhere getting to 0 in my area. So that's the first time I've ever saw that. It's not even got to 1 today, which is a little bit ridiculous, really, for this time of year. Now, we can see here, wow, very cold conditions tonight. It's like at midnight where we're going to see, possibly on the hills in the Pennines, -16. Very, very cold. You could get, obviously, you want to be a little bit careful in the temperatures if you're near there. But mostly, widely, -6, -7, and a -8 in northern England and Scotland. So mostly -4s, -7s. In the south, you could see just barely below 0, with a frost possible as well. And you can see here these temperatures are lasting quite significantly in the morning, still getting to -4 in the morning, and obviously daytime temperatures even colder actually. -3 in some areas will be the most we're going to get as well, but mostly 3-4 degrees, just slightly warmer in the south, and it's getting even colder in getting again a very cold night. Still could see -10, -9s in some areas, but most areas could see -5, -6, or -7 in there. You can see Friday itself, again, even colder for the daytime temperatures, just getting to 0 in all areas. We're not even going to be able to see anywhere getting to single digits. It's just below 0 for everyone. We can see here onto Saturday night, it isn't quite as cold. Could still see -9, even at -10, but mostly could still see -6 as well. But temperatures on Saturday slightly warmer. You can see more 1s and a little bit more 3s and 4s. But you can see what is going on here. Just in the far southwest, you can see here, we are getting increasingly mild air, bringing in 10s and 11s. So just right at this corner here. That is actually going to move in gradually. A Sunday night could still see into minus double digits, like we just saw there. However, starting a little bit warmer actually. Just now, getting to 1 degrees in Northern England, and back to 4 and 3 degrees, so it's low single digits, still a bit below average. Night on Sunday, not nearly as cold really. The cold has kind of moved a little bit. The most the least we're gonna get is -3, maybe -4 Celsius as well. But you can see here that mild air is trying to push in for next week. It's kind of been a little bit delayed as the mild air. I thought it was going to be a little bit sooner than that. Now, just to let you know, there will be a little bit of fog possible over the weekend. So if we have a look here on the fog fraction, we are getting a moderate amount of snow. Sorry, fog. The fog may actually get rid of the snow, so we'll have to see what happens there. Now, we can see here how this is happening. We're in this intense area of cold air. It's after the weekend. We could see an area of high pressure bringing in, maybe giving some settled conditions with the mild air too. You can see here over 1030 to 1035 millibars. But you can see here, just after Sunday, does it start to actually push in? Okay, it doesn't really get a lot of control at the time, but very mild air to come. Look at them. It is nothing what we've seen recently. We're getting into like light greens to even a little bit of a layer yellow there. Could see double digits there. However, it is in an area of high pressure. Could see some settled weather for a time. I feel like this has been a little bit more settled than average, but this mild air is lingering, and the high pressure is getting even higher, 1040 millibars, and that is for mid-January. So definitely turning much milder into the next few weeks. Could see a huge difference between there from now. 10 degrees difference from now. We may see again back to 10. We could see back to 10 degrees from -10. So very cold. Sorry, very mild for next week. So let's see what happens there. So thank you, children. See you in the next